Hello, I am gonna play Radical Bird Trade again. Again. And this time I'm gonna do better, but I'm gonna play as a crow. I'm gonna name myself. Let's see. Male. Dude. I don't know why. One, two, three. Okay, let's play. I gotta find a mate. Okay, no, stop. Okay. Sexy boy. Fuck. Garbage can. This time, I'm not gonna fail. Fucking. I'm just gonna keep on killing people, that's my quest. Oh shit. Come here. Cool. Fly faster, you little. Whoa. Oh, that was bad. Okay, if you want to watch more, subscribe.